We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard and providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. All of our customers were new customers at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions or let us know how we can serve you.